Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christopher Rocky Guidino and I work for Visalia Toyota. The 2020 Toyota RAV4 TRD was designed for that person with the adventurous lifestyle. One of the really cool features is the redesign of the wheel, which is using lighter material, stronger structure for that added comfort throughout all terrains. On top, the really cool roof rack, which you can actually place any kind of bikes, sporting equipment, or if you're moving, any kind of boxes on top. The vehicle does come with a really nice sunroof. Within our vehicle is that beautiful soft tech leather interior. Another great feature of the vehicle is the power liftgate. If you're carrying your groceries or you have things that you need to place in the back, you do have that availability on the key fob and by pressing a button on the back of the vehicle to lift that power liftgate and place everything safely inside your vehicle. Something that's standard on all vehicles, which is Toyota Safety Sense. This particular vehicle has radar cruise control setting. It also has lane departure warning system, rear cross traffic alert. It also has the rear view backup camera with a very nice big display. You also come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which means if you plug in your phone, it can read your text messages. It can also send text messages. It can make phone calls. And once again, my name is Christopher Rocky Guidino with Visalia Toyota. If you choose to come and test drive this vehicle today, please call us and let us know. The phone number here is area code 559-627-4777. Hablamos español.